I don't know about you guys, but Bitcoin is printing the same exact fractal as it did back in 2021. Right over here, we have our previous high and our new high, similar to what we have in today's fractal. Previous high followed by a new high. All right, market goes for a liquidity hunt to the downside. That's exactly what we're witnessing right now. Now, the bottom for our 2022 was at our 786 fib level, 17,000. If we take the same exact measurement from bottom to top, just like that, our 786 takes us towards a $39,000 mark. All right. Right over here, I'm going to take this. See, this for people that don't know is an ABC expanded wave. All right, it's an irregular Elliott wave correction. Let me go ahead and erase this. So this right here that you're seeing right now, this is considered an irregular Elliott wave correction. We have our A, B, C, just like this. A, B, and further C. We also have a harmonic pattern. Harmonic pattern should be at the 1.618, which didn't trigger, obviously, but the bottom should have been at the 1.618, which didn't happen, of course, because there was no sellers. So we have three things printing at the same time. Now, we discovered one. We have our 786 down here. We also have another pattern, which is our 780, our harmonic pattern, my bad. And our harmonic pattern, once again, should be at the 1.618 or the 224 fib level. Now, this might play out, it might not. This all depends on if there's sellers or not. Right over here, we failed to trigger the 1.618 because there was no selling pressure. Right now, is it the same case? Is the same scenario going to play out? I don't know. But what I do know is if we break, and because we are breaking below this $59,000 level, I'm anticipating that this 41 or approximately $39,000 mark plays out. All right, and then we expect another cycle in Bitcoin. Now, something to know, and this is only if there's a catalyst. I'm going to put this scenario on the table just in case. If there's an extreme bearish catalyst, and this goes with anything, right? And catalysts are very hard to predict. However, there's possibilities, especially now with the Iran situation, with this USA situation. If fundamentals get quite extreme, they get quite bearish, then anticipate this 224 to get triggered. All right, this would be considered a major deep demand zone, which has confluence with our fib level at the 1.13 fib level. This would basically complete a major bullish harmonic pattern all the way down to the 224 fib level. Right over here, not so great. Down here, extremely bullish. So whether bulls give up and they let these bears take over, that's something that we'll have to find out. Nevertheless, you guys, whether you accumulate here, 62, 45,000 or $10,000 mark, if you're looking at the long-term analysis, you're looking at massive gains. All right, just from this support and resistance, basic support and resistance, your target should be at, give or take, next cycle that is, should be at approximately 160,000 to approximately $200,000 range. All right, so you can go ahead, dollar cost average here, dollar cost average at the 1.618, and massive heavy orders for dollar cost average at 12,000. I hope you all enjoyed this video, gave you some type of insight of what I'm looking at with Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Without further ado, I'll See you all in the next video.